The Monday plan. Today, I must finish work, clean the house, and fix the sink before dinner.
That is a lot for one Monday.
I know. And Leo has online school at 9.
I can make breakfast while you check your emails.
Thanks. Please keep it simple. Eggs and toast.
Done. What is first after breakfast?
First, I will start the laundry.
And I will call the repair service about the sink.
Good. The water is still dripping.
I hear it. It is very annoying.
Also, the grocery delivery comes at noon.
I have a meeting then, but I can help before that.
If we follow the list, we can survive this Monday.
Yes, one task at a time.
Online school trouble. Leo, your class starts in 10 minutes.
I know, Mom, but the camera is not working.
Did you restart the laptop?
Yes, twice. It still shows a black screen.
Let me check the settings.
Please hurry. The teacher hates late students.
Here it is. The camera was off.
Oh, that was easy.
Easy things can still stop the day.
Thanks. I will join now.
After class, please take your dishes to the kitchen.
Okay. I can also fold towels during my break.
That would help a lot.
Good luck with your busy Monday, Mom.
The delivery mix-up.
Emma, I think these groceries are yours.
Oh no! They left them at your door?
Yes, the driver mixed up the house numbers.
Thank you for bringing them here.
No problem. Your milk was getting warm.
That would be a bad start for lunch.
Do you need help carrying the rest inside?
Yes, please. I still have emails to answer.
Busy workday?
Very busy. And the sink is leaking too.
I can watch for the repair van if you are in a meeting.
That is kind. Please text me if it arrives.
Of course. Mondays need good neighbors.
They really do. Thank you, Sophia. Work calls and a leaking sink. My meeting starts in 5 minutes.
The repair service just called me back.
Great. When can they come?
Maybe at 4, but they are not sure.
At 4, I must send my report.
I can open the door if they arrive.
Can we stop the water for now?
I turn the small valve. It is slower now.
That helps. I cannot think with drip, drip, drip.
I understand. I put a towel here too.
Thank you. I feel less stressed now.
Go to your meeting. I will handle this.
After my report, I will start dinner.
And I will set the table. We are getting there.
Dinner after a long day.
You look tired, dear.
I am tired, but the day is almost done.
Tell me what to do.
Can you stir the soup while I cut the salad?
Of course. It smells good already.
That is because you are here.
Did the repair person come?
Yes, late, but the sink is fixed.
Good. What about your report?
I sent it at 4:15.
Only 15 minutes late is not bad.
Today, it feels like a victory.
You managed the day very well.
I had help from everyone.
That is what family and friends are for.
Next Monday, I will make a shorter list.